Company Limited has launched two products. One of the products launched is the new Hilux Revo, with quite a lot of changes. The changes in Hilux Revo do not differ much based on leaked photos on the internet some time ago. But there is something different in the highest variant, namely the Hilux Revo Rocco. Hilux Revo Rocco variant is offered with two body models, pickup and double cabin. As for the engine, you can choose the 2GDF-TB 2.4-liter turbo intercooler variant with 150 PS, 3,400 revolutions per minute and 400 Nm, 1,600–2,000 revolutions per minute, or 1GDF-TB 2.8-liter turbo intercooler with 204 PS, 3,400 revolutions per minute and 500 Nm, 1,600–2,800 revolutions per minute. For the safety system, the Hilux Revo Rocco has embedded a Toyota Sefety Sense with pre-collision system features, lane departure alert with brake force assist, dynamic radar cruise control, DSC, TRC, ABS, EBD, hill start assist, downhill assist control, and trailer sway control. The difference between the Hilux Revo and other variants is for the design of the front bumper with a more macho model. There are differences in the grille and fog lamp housing with the variants below. In addition, on the side, there is an additional matte black over vender with silver accents. Then on the back there is a Rocco sticker to differentiate it from other variants. Then there is an additional roll bar in the tub.